Oh, fuck, I'm tripping.
I like videos.
What you see? Yeah, look how big the sugar
Try check
cane
out
is.
yourself if you catch what you can catch.
Look at that sugar cane.
Oh, it's something guys.
All the way over there, from right here to all the way over there. Wow. Look, they all.
I give a people that time and catch it.
Tuna.
From a plan. Then catch you. See this? See this catch pan? This me put it there. Just put it down. See it grow. This pan.
Yeah.
And this me just like push it there, so. See it grow.
That's the pregnancy one, ain't it?
Go back here, so. And see this one and grow here, so again. So you catch. See it grow here, so again. Catch. So I'm gone already. Then I did again. This one there. See it, so it all grow. And I see them all grow and send the tuna them pan. Yeah?
Very
And this one is simple as you see it, is it? I sit there. Think Bible. One little bean sucker.
Thank you, Bible.
You know little bean sucker on the planet. Small. This one I didn't catch. But I want to see what I go and see it. Huh? So we do them all the time.
And they just catch. Like that one did. See that one just lay down in the thing and they start growing right here.
The one, you know, so see them chicken weed.
Chickweed. Chickweed.
Chicken foul blood.
Foul blood.
Dog blood.
Dog blood. A lot of names, y'all. Yeah. Told y'all I'm getting pregnant this year. I'm finna be a mother.
What? You see right there? Some Guinean weed bended it. Giant Jeff.
Y'all, wait till y'all see all the herbs. I'm not even finna bust y'all head with all these herbs because I don't even know how I'm finna get all these herbs back to the U.S. It's
spring
crazy.
up back in Guinean. Mint. Mint tree. And Guinean weed is there. You also cut them and spring back tea. See it? Guinean. This is seed now. I seed this now. From the Guinean this. See them thing? Them I see them grow when them drop on the ground. Them grow. See it? Simple.
Yeah. What's that growing right there? What is that?
Banana.
Oh, that's banana. Yeah, I see. The stalk of the banana tree.
Some more plants will become more tree.
This still the sour grapefruit. Look at them.
See. They might be.
And people would just be looking at this and thinking this just nothing. This whole time like a bunch of stuff. Like, what's that you just pulled off of there? Aloe vera leaf. I mean, what? Avocado leaf?
Yeah.
What was that? Let me smell it.
What it smell like there?
Let me smell it again. It smells kind of lemony or something. What is it?
Ginseng bush.
Ginseng? Oh, shit.
Chop them down.
I need ginseng.
Eh?
I need ginseng.
I mean chop them down.
Why you chop them down?
I crowd up too much. I'm always spring up back.
It's like 3 things right here to help me get pregnant.
Them always spring. There you go.
That ginseng, the foul blood.
The ginseng they look there. See? It's a, okay, so it's a bush here, so that's how it grow up.
So the big leaf is the ginseng.
The big leaf one. Yeah, ginseng.
And that one too?
Yeah.
And it smells good too.
I'm also like I'm boil.
You asked me what it smelled like. I don't know what fresh ginseng smell like. Now I do. Look, this sugar cane is not playing. This sugar cane is well. Look all over there.
I'm chop down and check out. I'm chop them out and marry them. So look out. Chop them out now. Chop them out and dash and then get too much.
What this for? What you was on right here? What you gonna build? Okay.
The build up, they can't place in there. Cast and flood, and cast off and pit that.
Your mother's song used to make you rock away. The name with my ring, yeah. Yeah, I just can't believe all this is water. Boy.
Mother Nature, no?
Yes, Mother Nature at her finest. Yes, y'all, look at the sun right here. Wait, don't leave me. You know I'm scared of the dog. Hold on.
Nah, do that, man.